Vitamin C has long been the golden child of the wellness world, the go-to nutrient for when you're fighting a cold, trying to glow, or simply attempting to justify the price of that green juice you just bought. It's often dismissed as just an antioxidant, a molecular mop that cleans up the mess left behind by pollution, UV rays, stress, and your 2 a.m. hot dog decisions. But behind this humble facade, vitamin C is pulling double duty in your body, not only sweeping up cellular trash, but also walking into the control room of your genome and casually flipping switches on your genes. That's right, this isn't just a free radical scavenger. This is a genetic DJ remixing the track list of your cellular behavior. At first glance, its antioxidant role already makes it a superhero. Our bodies are constantly under attack by reactive oxygen species, ROS, highly reactive molecules that, if left unchecked, wreak havoc on our cells like toddlers with permanent markers. They damage proteins, lipids, and most tragically, DNA. This is what oxidative stress really is, a kind of molecular chaos that accelerates aging, inflames tissues, and gives skin that tired, uneven texture that no filter can truly fix. Enter vitamin C, your biochemical bodyguard. It generously donates electrons to these unstable molecules, neutralizing them before they start causing structural damage. Think of it as a Zen bouncer at the molecular nightclub, quietly escorting dangerous free radicals out before they smash up the place. But here's where things get juicy. Vitamin C doesn't stop at damage control. While it's busy saving your cells from oxidative mayhem, it's also slipping into the nucleus, talking to your DNA, and subtly suggesting, hey, maybe it's time you acted your younger age. It turns out vitamin C is a critical cofactor for a group of enzymes known as TT proteins, 1011 translocation enzymes, in case you want to sound impressive at a dinner party. These enzymes are involved in DNA demethylation, which is a fancy way of saying they can remove silencing tags from genes that have been shut off over time. DNA methylation is one of the ways our bodies regulate which genes are on and off. It's like putting post-it notes over parts of the genome. Don't read this. Not now. File under retired. As we age, these silencing marks increase, especially on genes that once controlled things like cell repair, antioxidant defense, and collagen production. It's as if your youthful functions were quietly placed in storage, labeled obsolete. But vitamin C is one of the few nutrients that can encourage the body to peel off those sticky notes and say, let's give this script another read. It activates TT enzymes, helping to demethylate and reactivate genes that promote cellular resilience, regeneration, and repair. So while it's out there in your tissues fending off UV-induced damage and inflammation, vitamin C is also inside your nuclei reprogramming your cells, essentially making them remember what they were supposed to be doing before time, toxins, and bad decisions got in the way. This dual action is why vitamin C isn't just a nice-to-have nutrient. It's a deeply strategic molecule, supporting you at both the surface level and the epigenetic level. It's like a friend who not only helps you clean up your apartment but also convinces you to update your resume and call your grandma. And nowhere is this more obvious than in the skin, where vitamin C has long been a topical favorite but is now being re-examined as a kind of epigenetic skincare whisper. Sure, it helps fade dark spots and gives your face that post-vacation glow, but underneath, it's activating collagen-building genes, improving wound healing, and modulating inflammatory responses. In fact, some studies have shown that vitamin C can even help undo the DNA damage induced by UVB radiation, not just buffering the harm, but actively facilitating repair. Who knew your serum had that kind of resume? This means that vitamin C isn't just preserving what you have, it's helping your cells relearn how to thrive. It doesn't scream or shock your skin into submission the way some retinoids or acids do. It just quietly optimizes the environment, encourages the enzymes, supports the expression of useful genes, and keeps oxidation at bay. It's a multitasking molecular therapist with a gentle touch and high standards. So the next time you think of vitamin C as a basic wellness staple like socks or hand sanitizer, remember that it's more like the Swiss Army knife of your biochemical toolkit. It's handling your external appearance and your internal programming at the same time, without demanding much in return. A little in your diet, a bit on your face, and it's off fine-tuning your genetic expression and neutralizing free radicals like it's all in a day's work. In a world full of one-trick actives and over-promising beauty trends, vitamin C is the overachiever we didn't appreciate enough. Not just a shield, but a strategist. Not just a serum, but a cellular life coach. Not bad for something that comes from an orange.